What do you mean by array? So store the multiple data into a single variable. That is nothing but a array. Okay, how many ways we can create an array? Two ways. What are they? Hmm? Array literal way and the array constructor way. Next, what are the methods we have? What are the methods we have, array? Push, pop, shift, unshift. Next, length, huh? At, concat, reverse, sort, join, splice, slice. That's it. Next, looping statements, map, filter, reduce, for each, for off, and for in. These all are the methods we have which we are discussed in the yesterday's class. Okay. So yesterday only theory part only completed, right? Today we are going to discuss the what we call practical part also. Yesterday my server is not working in the Google Classroom, guys. Due to that reason, I didn't share the notes. Now only it has been rectified for me. So after this class, I will completely send the notes. Okay, yesterday's theory and the today's practicals, everything I will send in the today's notes. Yeah. So first, how many ways we have totally? Two ways. Array literal way and the array constructor way. So first we are going with the literal way. So first one, how to do that one? Let ARR equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7. So these all are the things. Just normal I'm creating array. Like this only we need to create a literal array. The representation is nothing but a square brackets. Each and every element which is present inside the array, we need to divide by using the comma. By using the comma, we need to divide the each and every element. This is nothing but an array. When I will use console log of ARR, console log of ARR. Now you can check here. So if you open this one, inspect this, can check console. So if you observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the array it will looking like. So what is the index value of an array? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are the index values we have an array. These all are the index values we have an array. Is it clear, all of you? Till now clear? So this is nothing but a creating an array by using the literal way. Next one is a constructor way. Constructor way. Now when we are using the constructor way, let ARR equals to ARR1, sorry, ARR1 equals to, we need to use the new keyword, new array, new array of, new array of 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. So like this, we need to create the constructor way. Like this, we need to create a constructor when I will use console log of ARR1. Console log of ARR1. Now you can check. Is there any changes there? If I open this one also, same to same index values, it will work. So these all are the two ways we are using that one. So most probably we are using the normal way only. Most probably we are using the normal way only. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a literal way and the constructor way. Next one is the methods we have. So next one is the methods. So what are the methods we have? First one is the push, right? So here I will use So what I will do, I will write a push method. Push. Now what I need to write here? Itundre. Now I'm creating the one array. Let arr equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So I'm writing the just normally 1 to 5 values. After that, what I am writing here, arr dot push of 6. Push of 6. It means I am adding the value at the last. It is nothing but a value as a 6. Now you can check console log of arr. Console log of arr. Now you can check. Is it done? Actually, array is what I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. When I'm not using this one, you can check what is the array value. But when I will using this one, at that time, array value is a different. This is nothing but a push method. This is nothing but a push method. Now pop. Sir, I need to write every time one only. No, I will write more also. After 6, comma, 7, comma, 8, comma, 9. All push it right. It doesn't mean we are using the push once means only one only it will be wrong. If I want to push the multiple values also, it is possible here. If I want to push the multiple values also, it is possible here. Is it clear now? Yeah. Now next point. What is the next point means? Pop. What is the use case of pop, ma? Not increasing the index, Sushil. Adding the value. Delete end. What, ma? Not. I'm not asking that one. Right? This question I'm replying. Okay. Now pop method is used to removing the end value. Removing the end value. For suppose, what is the current array I have? Up to 9 value, right? So when I am using the arr dot pop off, arr dot pop off. Now you can check. So after that, again, I need to use the console log of arr, guys. Now you can check. Deleted, right? 9. Again, I will use 8 also deleted. Again, I will use 7 also is deleted. Pop method is used to delete the values from the end. Pop method is used to delete the values from the end. Now next one. What is the next one, Ray? Unshift. Unshift. So what I'm doing here, arr dot unshift of value I'm giving as a hello. I'm giving the value as a hello. Here only, na pop. Yeah. 3 times I'm using the pop, 3 values it is deleting at the end. Yeah, guys. Now unshift of the hello I'm using. After that, console log of arr. Console log of arr. Now you can check here. Hello is added the starting, right? Hello is adding at the started. Again, if I will write comma by comma by. Now you can check hello by is added. Hello and the by is added. Is it clear? This is nothing but a unshift method. So when I will use a shift method, shift off. So when I use a shift method, arr dot shift off. Now console log of ARR. Now you can check here. What is happening? Hello is removed, right? Hello is removed. Now again, if I will use that one, two times I'm using. How many values it will remove, Mano? Two values. If you can observe here, two values has been removed. This is nothing but a shift method. Shift method is used to remove the values from the starting. Unshift method is used to adding the values from the starting. Pop method is used to remove the values from the end. Push method is used to add the values from the end. That's it. Okay. What are the methods next we discussed? Length. So if I want to console log of ARR dot length. Now it will return you the length. What is the length of that? 6. You can check. Length of array is 6 only, right? That one only it is returning. That one only it is returning. That is nothing but a length method. So at method. Console log of at of ARR. Sorry. ARR dot. If I'm writing the value as a 0. 0 is nothing but an index value of an array. Now inside the 0, what the value is storing there? It is returning you 1 only. Is it clear? If I will write the value as a 3, inside the third index, what I have? Now you can check 4. Is it clear? At is used to display the values which is present inside that particular index. That's it. That is nothing but a at method. What is the next one, Ray? Concat. Just a second, guys. I will comment this all things. Then again, we write a fresh arrays. So next one is the concat method. You guys want to note it down, huh? No need, huh? Needed, huh? Sushil, you can note it down from the notes, Ray. Important. Okay, do it fast. Shift, huh? What happened here, Shift Atish? See here. What is the use case of push? The value is adding at the end, right? Shift right. It is remove the values from the starting. That's it. Yeah. Guys, if you have a systems means you can execute, right? This time you can use like that. Yeah, if your system is open your laptops and you can execute. Not an issue. Concat I didn't write Ratish. Sushil is writing notes. Okay, carry on, guys. Who wanna write the notes? Now I will give the time. You can note it down. If you have a laptop, means you can execute this step. Already done, Are. This is the last one. After that, I need to write. Yeah, guys. Now, next one is nothing but a concat method. What is the use case of concat method? Means it is used to merge the one two or more arrays. It means one array is there. If I want to merge one more array, we can use this concat methods. How to use that one? Let ARR equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Along with that, let ARR2 equals to 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Okay. Now I want to merge this array. So how to merge ARR dot concat of ARR2. So how can we check whether it is merging or not? Either we can directly console log this one, or else we need to store inside a one more array. So let ARR3 equals to console log of ARR3. ARR3 equals to console log of ARR3. Now you can check all the elements has been merged, right? By using this concatenation method, we can do like this. Sir, what happened if I will change here ARR2 comma ARR? Now you can check first what values we are coming. ARR2 values, right? Along with it, it is combining the this values. This is nothing but a concat method. This is nothing but a concat method. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah. Now next, what is the next method, Ray? Reverse. Reverse of. So what I will do here, console log of ARR dot reverse of. Reverse of. Now you can check how it is printing. Reverse the array and it is printing. This is nothing but a reverse of. This is nothing but a reverse of. What is the next one we have? Sort, right? Sort of. So what I will do here, let ARR 1 equals to 1 comma 10 comma 20 comma 5 comma 6 comma 70. Now when I am using the console log of ARR dot sort of. So sort means it should be in the ascending order only, right? How it is sorting? Yeah, guys, what output we will get? 1, 5, 6, 10, 20 and 70 you will think, right? Now you can check what output we are getting. Sort of. ARR 1 now, okay. What it is getting, ma? Yeah, it is sorted only. How we are getting? Here, what it is comparing? It is comparing the only the first character. It is comparing the only the first character. Second one, it is not comparing only. Second one, it is not comparing only. If we can check 1, 1, 2. Actually, if we can take 10 and 20, we will call, but it is not calling like it is calling the 1, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Due to that reason, it will be comparing the only the first digits. It will comparing only the first digits. It is not comparing the any other values. Is it clear, all of you? This is nothing but a sorting technique. So one more thing also we can do here. Now I will write a let names array I am using here. Array of Ram, Ravi, Ramya, Raghava, and Raju. Yeah, guys. Now you got to know, right, how it is sorting. Now in this, just tell me which name will come first, which name will come last. Observe carefully and tell me. Ray. Now what will happen? What data will we will get when I will use the console log of names dot. In between also you need to tell Atish sort of. Okay. First what it will come, last what it will give. Yeah, what is the first name you will get? Raghav. Next. Hmm? First is the Raghav, second one is the Raju. Next, Ram. Third, fourth. Why? Because if you observe, all the first characters are the RA only, same to same. Then what it will compare? Third characters. According to third characters only, it will changing the values. Is it clear, guys? Now you can check Raghava, Raju, Ram, Ramya, and the Ravi. Is it clear how it is sorting now? Clear? Same to same. This thing also applicable for in the string also. Sorry, number data types also. It is comparing only the first characters. Due to that reason only we are getting this type of output. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, what is the next one? What is the next one, Ray? Join, right? What is the next one we have? Join method. So let how to join that one? Join off. join of. Now already I have ARR is there, right? ARR1 I have, this one only I want to join. How to join? Console log of ARR1 dot join off. So first I'm not passing anything ma. So let's check what we are getting the output. We are getting the output combined, but how we are dividing? By using the commas it is dividing. Yes or no? By using the commas it is dividing. So next step, when I will use anything like this, we can check. It is joining by using the star. Sir, I don't want star, I want percentage. Yes. No, sir, I want alphabet. Now you can check. It means it is joining by using the alphabet which we are giving. If you are not passing anything, just simply want to join. It is dividing by using the comma. It is dividing by using the comma. Is it clear, guys, all of you? This is nothing but a join method. Next method, what we have? Splice and the slice. So first understand the splice. So split is in string ma. Here also split I told no, split is in the string array, not here. Now here splice. So splice. What I told yesterday, it is used to delete the value, or else if I want means we can replace the value also I can do here. So that one only we are working here. So let ARR equals to done. Yeah. Let ARR equals to array I'm giving ma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay. Now I want to replace the value 3, comma 4. To what value? Any one word. Okay. I want to replace with the 4 plus 3, 7, right? I want to replace with the 7, right? Okay. I want to replace with the 7. So what I will do here, let data equals to, let data equals to ARR dot splice off. What is the first value? Start index. From where I want to start that one. From where I want to start ma? 0, 1, 2. What is the start index value? 2. Okay. Comma. How many elements I want to divide? How many elements, Ray? 3 and 4. How many elements? 2. Then we need to pass as a 2 only here also. Then what is the replaced value? 7. Now we can check console log of ARR. Console log of ARR. Now you can check replaced. Sir, then what it is returning? When I will use here console log of data. If you observe here, what it is returning, Ray? 3, comma 4 in the format of array. What it is returning? It is returning a deleted value in the format of an array. It is returning. Is it clear, guys? No, sir, I don't want to replace anything. So just I'm removing the replaced element. Okay. Now start index and the delete counter at this one only. Now you can check 1 to 5. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a splice method. Especially where we are using, if I want to delete in between sentences, in between words we are have, right? At that time we are using this splice method. So next one is the slice. Next one is the slice. Next one is the slice. So slice is used to extract the data. Now from this I want to extract the 2, 3, 4. I want to extract the 2, 3, 4. Now how can I write it? Console log of ARR dot slice of. Now start index. What is the start index for 2? 0, 1. Comma. End index 0, 1, 2, 3. What I told, end index plus 1 I need to pass if I want to extract the 4 also. So 4. Now you can check here. What happened, right? Huh? Okay, sorry guys. I need to comment this one. 1, comma 4. 2, 3, and 4. We are getting right. Is it working properly only? This is nothing but a slice method. When 2, 2, then what are the arguments? Guys, yesterday when you forgot the syntax, start index, comma, delete count, comma, replaced value. This 2 is nothing but a start index. This 2 is nothing but delete count. The 7 is nothing but replaced value. 2, 2, not like that. So from the second index, I want to start and I want to delete the 2 values. Due to that reason, I'm writing like that. That's it, Atish. Yeah, guys, till now you guys will try. After that, I will start looping statements. Not understand splice. Okay. So what I want to do, Sushil. So I have an array already. So this array I want to convert like this. 1, comma, 2, comma, 7, comma, 5. Okay. In this is my input. I want the output should be like this. What are the changes I need to do in the output? You guys only tell. I'm asking what is the change here? Sushil, understand the syntax first. Start index. Start index, I am telling. From where I want to start. Here it will not calculate as a length. I need to give the start index only. Next one, delete count. From the start index, how many values I want to delete. So, what is the start index, Ray? 2. 0. 0 is the first index. 1 is the this one. Third 2 is the this one. It means I want to start from the 3. After that, I am telling like that how many values you need to delete. How many values? 3 and 4. 2 values I want to delete. These 2 values I am deleting. I am telling like that. Delete the count these 2 values and replace that with the 7. That one only I am telling here. Is it clear now or not clear? सुशील वो ही मैं बता रहा हूं सिंटैक्स पढ़ो पहले सिंटैक्स क्या है मेरे पास स्प्लाइस के लिए मेरे को बताना है स्टार्ट इंडेक्स डिलीट काउंट और रिप्लेस्ड वैल्यू मेरा है ऑप्शनल वाला ठीक है मेरे को क्या चाहिए 3 और 4 हटाकर मेरे को वहां पर आना है 7 तो मेरे को कितने वैल्यू डिलीट करने हैं 2 वैल्यू डिलीट करने हैं कौन के delete count deleted the values how many values I want to delete that one only I'm telling here dc is nothing but a delete count I will show you that syntax also for you see here start number delete count number that one only I'm telling na not delete count see here delete count how many values how many elements I want to delete from that start index yes that's it yes I didn't see her, eh? I said, Sushil, why should I will not tell? That is the main point there. What do you mean by leave it, Sushil? What do you mean that? I'm looking like fun, ah. What are you talking about that? Leave it, leave it. What do you mean by leave it? Do it, man. I didn't tell her at that point for you people. Huh? Yeah, online people, I didn't mention that point for you people. Delete count like that. How many times I mentioned? From theory onwards, I'm starting that one. DC means delete count. DC means delete count. It is deleting the count. How many values? Then, Sushil, you are not listening means this is my fault. Again, I am telling you, you are asking how you are behaving. Which point, Shiva? Array from starting onwards. It is not possible, Shiva. What you are talking from the starting onwards? How many methods I discussed? Network issue means you need to mention first, na? Almost methods all are completed. Next is the looping one starting. You are telling to again starting, sir, means if any one method means I can done. I already completed everything. I can't do anything, Shiva. Yeah, guys. Now now in that first one I'm discussing in that first one I will discussing about the map method. So what is the use case of this map method? Now, for example, I'm writing the one array. So I'm writing here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So I have an so what I want to do, I want to square the all the values of this array, and after that I want to store inside the array only. First, what I want to do, square the values, and I want to create a new array. Then output I want, what type of output I want means 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16 comma 25. Now I want to get this array. Normally, how we are doing this one? For I equals to 0, I less than or equals to arr dot length. I less than or equals to arr dot length. I plus plus we need to use. Next, what we are doing here? So I need to square and I need to push inside array. Let I need to create a one more new array. Squared array equals to empty array I'm using here. Next, what I'm doing here? Yeah. Next, what I'm doing? ARR of equals to remove. I need to do that's it. ARR is less than ARR of I has strict 2. So this is the value I need to get. So I will store this value in the somewhere else also. Directly I can push that one also inside the square array. So I will squared array dot push off. You can push like this also, or else you can store this particular value inside one variable and you can push that variable also. Anything is fine. So at the last, when I'm using the console log of squared array, console log of squared array, then what will it will output? 1 9 1 4 9 16 25. Same to same output we are getting. But here, what we are doing here, I'm initializing the value. I am checking the condition check. After that, I am only increment and decrementing I am doing. Every time it is not possible. Every time it is a hectic process for us because every time I can't know the conditions. Every time I can't do. So to avoid these things, we are using the map method. So simply how to utilize that one means arr dot map of. So we can observe map of is nothing but a higher order function. It is accepting the one function for us that is nothing but we will call callback. So in this total, I need to pass the three values. Needed means three, no need also fine. But one thing is the value. What is that value? What it will do means it will store the values of an array. It will store the values of an array. For example, first I will use the all three things value comma index comma array. Okay. So next what I am doing here, one by one, I'm consoling it. Console log of value. Okay. Console log of value. What it is printing, Mire? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the values it is printing. It is iterating and it is printing. Here, am I initializing the value? I'm using a just variable I. There I'm using the I. Here I'm using the value. That's it. I'm a condition check I'm doing. Automatically, if the length is completed, it will stop there only. Am I incrementing and decrement I am doing? Nothing I'm doing. Automatically, it will work. So if I want to print the only values, here what I need to do? Console log of ARR of I need to write. Then only it will print the values for me. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also same to same. But here I need to use this type of accessing index. No need. Direct it is printing. If I want to print the index values here, what I need to use? So simply I need to write here console log of I. If I want to values means I need to access like this. If I want only index values means like this. Now I can check what is index values 0. Just a second guys. Leave. Now if you observe 1 is the 0th index, 2 is the first index, 3 is the second index, 4 is the third index, 5 is the fourth index. So no sir, I don't want like this to print me. Simply I will print like this. Then easily you can understand. Now you can check 1 is the 0th index, 2 is the first index, 3 is the second index, 4th is the third index, 5th is the fourth index. So like this I need to print. Now here how can I print sir? Simply comma index. Comma index. Now you can check. So directly it is writing for me. So what is this array? Comma array if I will use. Now you can check what it will print. The exact array what it is having. Original array. It will storing the original array. Is it clear ma? Now what is the return type of the map means again it will return your new array. Again it will return your new array only. Is it clear? So what is my question? I want to do like this, right? Till now understand how it is working now. So I'm commenting this one. Again I'm writing the one more ARR dot map of value. Because I don't want any index, I don't want any array. So single element also fine for us. So I'm using the directly value and I'm writing like this value hashtag 2. Now can I call this one is nothing but an implicit return? I'm using the arrow function. For arrow function, if I have only one line of execution, no need to use the curly brackets. Implicit return also work for me. So how to check the data, sir? How it is returning? Returning means if I want to check the return data means I need to store inside some variables, right? So I am storing this value inside a variable. Squared value 1. Now console log of squared value 1. Now console log of squared value 1 if you can check. See here. Same to same output, any other output it is displaying me. 63. See here, this is a squared array, right? Squared array, what it is returning? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Line number 70. In the line number 70, what it is writing? Squared value only, right? Squared value 1. Now, this entire code, how much it is customized, ma? In a single line. This is the use case of map method. It is used to iterate an array. If I want any conditions, it will work that conditions also. Along with that, it is used for the iteration purpose. Along with it, it is used for the iteration purpose. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a map method. This is nothing but a map method. Now, next case. What is the next case means? From this, I want to print only even numbers. It means the array which is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length is 5, right? Out of length 5, how many even numbers I have? 2 and 4 only, right? I want to especially 2 and 4 in the format of array again. It means I want to extract the only 2 and the 4. I need to store inside an array. Is it clear? Now how to do that one? What is a normal code, Ray? For I equals to 0, I less than ARR dot length, ARR dot length, I plus plus. What I need to do? If ARR of I mod 2 is equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, what I need to do? I need to push an array. Let even array equals to empty array I need to use. So even array dot push off. Even array dot push off ARR of I. That's it. Now when I'm using here console log of even array, what it is returning Mima for me? 2 and 4 only. So same to same thing I will write in a different way by using the filter method. By using the filter method. By using the filter method. So how to do that one? Simple. Let even array 2. It is also returning me a one more array. What it is returning? Filtered values. It will return array with the filtered values. How we need to write ARR dot filter of ARR dot filter of. Again it is having the same three values. Value index array. Again same value means initial value it will store. Index means index values it will store. Array means original array. Same to same. There is no change, guys. So this time what I will do, value only I will use. So I need to write the filter, right? So after that I need to write the condition here directly. What is my condition? Value mod 2 is equals to 0. That's it. Now when I use console log of even array 2. When I will use console log of even array 2. Now you can check here. Any changes there? Same to same. Here I am doing any condition check. For the iteration purpose, I'm doing any condition check? No, just I'm checking only one condition. What is that? Even or odd. That's it. Even or odd. That's it. Apart from that, I am not doing nothing. This is nothing but a filter. This is nothing but a filter. It will add starting values. That's it. So if you can check here, I will use the unshift. 4-2. It will start value at the starting onwards. That's it. Is it clear, guys? This is nothing but a filter. This is nothing but a filter. Now I will give you two questions, execute that questions, then I will continue the class. What is the question means? Take a array having the certain names. Certain names, 10 names or 5 names, or any names you can take. So I want to print only even length names. Are you getting? Now for example, RAM. What is the length of the RAM? 3. Even or odd? Odd only, right? RAVI. Ravi. Even or odd? Even. Now I want to print only even names in the format of array. Complete this question and I will move to the next one. Start. Take a 5 to 10 names inside a array and extract the only even length names I want. Even length names from the array. Push inside array, Sridhar. Not single name I want. In array, you need to take the multiple names inside the array. Then filter that one. What is that one? strlen of value. How it will work? Wrong, Satish. strlen. Is there any properties there? Okay. Yes. she'll take 5 to 10 names inside an array and then calculate the length of an each and every value. I want the even length names inside of one more array. For example, Ram and Ravi, you can take Ram is the length is 3, Ravi is the length is 4. 4 is the even number. That particular Ravi name I want inside of one more array. That's it. That is the question. Don't use for loop, guys. Don't use for loop. Right only, Verma. Yeah, guys, you can leave. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Tomorrow we'll continue the class. You can leave.